Human-computer interactions. Overview. Human Technology Interface, or HTI, refers to any time a human uses technology, there is some type of hardware and/or software that defines the interface. When the technology in use is a computer, the interaction is referred to as human-computer interaction. This lesson focuses on describing frameworks for human-computer interactions and discussing evaluation criteria for user and experiences as it relates to using computers in nursing practice. Focus. As healthcare becomes more technology-intensive, nurses are being required to use a variety of devices, programs, applications, and systems to research, deliver, and manage healthcare. In the late 90s and into the millennium, researchers have studied how well technology fits with human characteristics. Findings from many nursing studies indicate that technology use was leading to more errors, contributing to nurse fatigue, and creating adverse unintended consequences. In response, a growing number of researchers and designers have emerged that focus on interfacing computers and humans. These designers and researchers are concerned with the design, evaluation, and implementation of interactive computing systems. Nurse researchers, like Dr. Nancy Staggers and Dr. Judy Efkin, have used their backgrounds as practitioners to extensively study the human-computer interaction in nursing practice. Staggers identified 3 axioms for developing effective human-computer interactions. 1. Users must be an early and continuous focus in interface design. 2. An iterative design complete with formative evaluations of applications must be in place. And 3. Ongoing empirical usability measures or observations of users and information needs to occur. Usability is another specific characteristic within the human-computer interaction. Usability in nursing addresses the ease of human performance during computer interactions within a particular patient-provider context. Usability includes the topics of ease in using and learning an application, ease in remembering interaction methods, efficiency of use, error-free and error-forgiving interactions, seamless fit for the task at hand, user satisfaction with system use. Other common evaluation criteria used in human-computer interaction evaluations are human factors, which describe the interaction between people, machines, and their work environment, and ergonomics, which focuses on the design and implementation of equipment, tools, and machines with respect to safety, comfort, and convenience. Another approach used in the evaluation of human-computer interactions was made popular by Jakob Nielsen to evaluate website design. Nielsen's work was later adapted for use in any user interface application. Nielsen's 10 categories are briefly described below. 1. Visibility of system status. The system should always keep users informed about what is going on through appropriate feedback within reasonable time. 2. Match between system and the real world. The system should speak the user's language with words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user. 3. User control and freedom. Users often choose system functions by mistake and will need a clearly marked emergency exit to leave the unwanted state without having to go through an extended dialogue. 4. Consistency and standards. Users should not have to wonder whether different words, situations, or actions mean the same thing. 5. Error prevention. A careful design which prevents or eliminates error-prone conditions. 6. Recognition rather than recall. Minimize the user's memory load by making objects, actions, and options visible. 7. Flexibility and efficiency of use. The system can cater to both inexperienced and experienced users. Allow users to tailor frequent actions. 8. Aesthetics and minimalist design. Dialogue should not contain information which is irrelevant or rarely needed. 9. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Error messages should be expressed in plain language, no codes, precisely indicate the problem, and constructively suggest a solution. 10. Help and documentation. Provide help and documentation. Any such information should be easy to search. Nurses are operating in a changing and ever-growing technology-intensive healthcare environment. Historically, they have often been required to use systems and applications to which they had little to no input with respect to design or evaluation. As a master's prepared nurse, you may be asked to have a seat at the technology adoption table and can bring valuable insight into using the right technology to deal with the complexities of nursing practice. Additionally, as a master's prepared nurse, you could help to lead key research efforts related to human-computer interactions, such as workflow issues, technology infrastructure planning, and technology adoption barriers. Summary. While we have made great strides in the use of computer technology in healthcare delivery, more needs to be done with respect to improving the designs of human-computer interfaces. Usability, ergonomics, and human factors can be hard to design in any work situation, but the activities inherent in nursing practices are particularly challenging. Nurses have a prime opportunity to assist in the design and evaluation of user interfaces and applications that will ultimately improve practice and promote better outcomes for care.